Welcome back to Foundation Physical Therapy's YouTube channel. We just recently shot a video showing you how to start strengthening your rotator cuff. This is a video to help progress that one. These activities are a little more difficult, so don't feel like you need to do a ton of weight. I'm actually going to demonstrate them without any weight, and they can be plenty difficult just with the weight of your arm. So what you're going to do is grab a little towel roll. This is basically a couple of small hand towels kind of rolled up and then taped together to make it a firmer bolster. And what we're going to do is you're going to lay on your stomach. The purpose of this bolster is to be in front of your shoulder so that when you start doing some of these activities, that shoulder isn't falling forward into the table. So I place that right on the front side of my shoulder, and I want the edge of the table to be kind of right at my elbow. Then what I'm going to do is try to keep the elbow bent to 90 and then spin like an axle here through my upper arm, and I'm going to come up this way. Okay, and then again adding a 1, 2, 3. I mean, you can just keep adding small weights, but you don't need a lot of weight to do these exercises and to feel them be effective. Then the more difficult of the two is to do internal rotation here, coming this way. The most common error with doing this one is that people tend to do this and the arm kind of drops behind them. What you want to learn to do is isolate the subscapularis by just doing that motion right there and paying real strict attention not to let the front of the shoulder push into the table like this. Okay? And you may want to start with some hold times, like holding for a 5-second count, and then eventually grab a small weight, and you can start to work up your repetitions as long as you have good quality motion without any pain. But both of those are good ways to progress your strengthening of the rotator cuff.